Don't know if I like this much.
I think you're gonna like it. I don't even know if you probably can't even hear me right now.
Are we almost ready?
Okay, I'm gonna take your headphones off, okay?
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah. What are we doing?
Okay, I'm just gonna take you back over this way. I got you something. I just thought that you've been working really hard lately and that you deserved it.
Don't worry, she's
Okay.
not gonna make you
Turn
fall.
around. Actually, you know what? Let's take you over to this side. I think you might be better suited over here. Yeah. Okay. All right. Now, like, are you excited?
I don't know what we're doing.
Okay, come back over here a little bit. We gotta get you a little closer. Now it's not gonna bite you, okay? So like relax a little bit. You're all pent up. Okay. Are you ready? Do you think we should let him take the blindfold off?
Ooh.
Okay.
Wait, should he guess?
I don't think, no, you're
No.
never gonna guess it. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Wow. What did you guys do?
You know, you've been working so hard, and I wanted to get you a brand new truck. So here's the keys.
Wow.
It's
Sorry.
nice, isn't it?
Got
Already got
the.
a 4-inch lip sitting on 35s. Fuel rims. Nerf bars.
Yeah, check out the inside.
Wow. Loaded. Big screen and everything.
Huge. And then we got
Tonneau cover.
tonneau cover on the back. Look at that there.
Linex. Our WeatherTech mats.
Don't worry, we looked at the
Ooh.
checklist. We looked at the
And a
checklist.
big trailer hitch so when I want to pull stuff.
I know. You know what? Now Mom can buy you that boat. Oh, well, I'm really glad you like it.
Thank
I love
you, girl. I love you.
So cool.
We need
Alright,
to get
let's
y'all
take a
back
first
in
spin.
front of it.
Yeah, why don't you get you inside and you can turn it on.
Gotta get the inside.
Look, we got you your mossy oak cover from your last truck. Well, it's a new one, but
Yeah, because the last one was torn to
really like
bits.
good. I'm glad.